Hello, welcome again to KKY class. All right, this is reflection part 2, and we will be looking at diagonal mirror lines. In the last class, we already learned how to reflect shapes across vertical and horizontal mirror lines. And I did say that if you're reflecting a shape across a vertical mirror line, you are to count the horizontal distance, like 2 and 2, like 3 from the mirror line, then 3 on the other side, and on like that, and then you join the corners together. If you do not know how to do this, you may need to go back to video 1 uh, in order to understand the basics of reflection. I also did mention that if you're to reflect a shape across a horizontal mirror line, you use vertical distance. Like this is vertical distance of 1 unit, and then you reflect 1 unit on the other side. This is 2 units, you reflect 2 units on the other side. So you're going to have something that looks like this. If you don't know this, please visit the previous video. All right, let's get to business, because today we're looking at how to reflect across diagonal mirror lines. Now, this line is like a forward slash. As you can see it, the mirror line is a forward slash. So to reflect across this line, you're going to count the distance using the backward slash movement. Let's see, from point B here, we have 1.5, and then half and 1 on the other side. That is how B was reflected. Let's check for C. So you have to ensure that for each one, you follow the diagonal of each box to count the units. All right, let's go this way. This is 1 unit. That's one diagonal of that box. 2.5. So you go half, 1, and 2. So that's how that one was reflected. The same thing goes for point A, reflected across that backward slash movement. Let's see another one. Okay, this shape, let's start with this corner D. Corner D to the mirror line is 1, and then another 1 unit. You see it reflected. Corner C, like I said, follow the diagonal, 1 and 2 and half and 1 and 2. And you see where C is reflected. Okay, let's do for one more corner. A, 1.5, and then half and 1. And you see where it is reflected. So this is how to reflect across diagonal mirror lines. Now let's do something practical. All right, this is practical. So we're going to do this ourselves. Now let's start with the corner that is closest to the mirror line, this corner here. All right, this corner is just half a unit from the mirror line. So I'm going to count another half on the other side. And then, so I have to reflect it right here. Now let's go to another corner. Let's go to the corner at the top here. And then don't forget to follow the diagonal of each box, 1 and 2 and 3. So we reflect 1 and 2 and 3. So you can see where it will be reflected right here. All right, the last point here, 1.5 and half and 1. So it will be reflected right here. So we can see that the image of that shape looks like this. There we go. So that is the image of the shape given to us. That's how to reflect across a diagonal mirror line. Okay, this line is actually a forward slash line. What if it's a backward slash line? Yeah, that's one of it. All right, let's look at this interesting one. Let's start with this corner as closest to the mirror line. This is 1, and then we reflect on the other side, 1. And here it is. This is 1.5, half and 1. You can see where it is reflected right here. And then this corner next is 1 and 2, reflection, 1 and 2. So it is reflected right here. And then this corner, you have to reflect each corner, don't forget. Half, okay, this is the closest to the mirror line, and half. So it is reflected right here. And then this corner, 1 unit from the mirror line, so it is reflected right here. And then this corner from the end here, 1, 2, and 3. So 1, 2, and 3, it is reflected right here. So now we can join our points together like that, like that. Okay, it's right here, 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 and here. So that's a reflection of the shape given to us. Do you understand this? I would love to hear your comments, your feedback in the comment section. How did you find this? Was it easy? Do you need me to throw more light on it? Do you think you can attempt to reflect shapes across the diagonal lines now? All right, till I see you again in class. Enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.